If you had $100,000 to build your dream Raptor, what would you do? How would you do it? You've got to think about every aspect. How do you want it to look? How do you want it to perform? And how do you want it to drive every day? This customer brought us this truck as a blank slate, had no modifications on it whatsoever, and we went through and put the best stuff that we could think of on it. I'm gonna walk you through everything that we did, starting from the front. I love this bumper. This is the ADV Pro bumper. It's got a nice look. It's gonna give you a lot more tire clearance here and a better approach angle. Inside this bumper, we stuffed a bunch of Baja Designs Pro lights. I've got combos on the outside. I've got a racer in the middle. These are gonna give you long distance lighting, but also give you that nice spread that you need when you're hitting 100 miles an hour out in the desert. We threw in the ADD intercooler by AFE. This is gonna help keep the air temperature cool when it's going into the engine, giving you max performance when you're out romping around in the desert. We installed a Roush intake and a few other goodies under the hood. We wanted to maintain the performance and help move these big 38-inch tires. We've got a Goose Tune on there. Goose Tune is gonna take your cob access port to the next level, giving you more power and giving you better shift points, making this truck daily drivable, but also making it a performer when you're out in the desert. You can see here, we've got these big wide fenders on this truck. We did the ADV glass front and rear, and we made some custom fender liners to go inside of it. This is gonna help keep rocks and stuff underneath the vehicle instead of getting kicked up on all this fresh paint, and it gives us more clearance for these large tires. As you can see installed in these fenders here, we've got these beautiful Morimoto headlights. They have better light output, and they look pretty badass. Now to the important stuff, the suspension. We weren't gonna be happy with just some bolt-on shocks on this Raptor. This customer really wanted to rip through the desert and have it perform off-road. We reached out to our friends at SVC and we went with their mid-travel system. The system's about 2.5 inches wider, giving you more travel. We're getting about 18 inches of travel out of this. But on top of that, it allows you to run a big 2.5-inch coilover with a 3-inch bypass. That bypass shock from Fox Shocks is going to allow us to tune the suspension exactly for the terrain that we're driving on, be able to soak up those big bumps much better than the factory Raptor suspension ever could. We didn't want to go too crazy on the rear suspension. The biggest issue was the customer not wanting to put shocks through the bed. So we threw a set of the Fox Factory 3.0 bypasses on there, as well as the SVC bump stop kit. We've got a set of SVC shackles holding on the Deaver leaf springs. In the future, if the customer does want to get more out of the rear end, we can always install a SVC rear bed rack. When it comes to the wheel and tires, which is one of the most important parts of how a build performs, but also looks, we reached out to Innov8. Innov8 makes their wheels here in the USA. I love the quality of them. These are billet machined wheels. We went the G600 model in the 17-inch. This is an all black wheel with the black ring on it. It turned out really nice. It fits great on this black and gray truck. We wrapped those in the Nitto Ridge Grappler, 38 by 13.5 and 17. That 38-inch tire doesn't sound like it's much bigger than the 35s or 37s these Raptors come with, but when you compare them side by side, it's massive. We're gonna get much better traction, but still be able to drive this truck on the road without too much noise or vibration. To help slow this big wheel and tire package down, we couldn't just go with a regular brake upgrade. We put a Willwood 6-pot brake system on here with a 14-inch rotor. Not only is that gonna give us more braking force, but that's gonna help dissipate heat when we're running fast and running hard out in the desert. They work great on road. They don't make a lot of noise or dust, and they have a similar brake feel to stock. As we continue to move back, because it's so much taller, we did add a set of amp steps on there. They extend when the door opens and they retract when the door is closed. They're out of the way. They're not gonna get hung up on anything, but they make this truck easy to get in and out of. Very livable, very usable as a daily driver. Inside, we had to put a radio system in there. He does go on trail runs with his friends, so we reached out to PCI and went with a Kenwood radio. That Kenwood radio has a speaker that we mounted under the seat. That radio has a coax cable that is wired up to the third brake light. That third brake light came to us from Baja HQ, and we stuffed a couple of S2 lights in there to not only act as a dust light, but act as a cargo light when he opens the doors so he can load up everything at night and still have pretty good vision. In addition to the Baja Designs lights, that third brake light has small red LEDs, so it remains street legal when driving it around town. As you go around back of the truck, you'll see another ADD Pro bumper. That's the rear bumper from them, which does have a tow hitch installed. It also has a set of Baja Design Squadron stuffed in there that can work as dust lights or reverse lights depending on what the customer would like to do with them. Well, there you go. That's the Dream Raptor. $100,000 seems like a lot of money to you. Realize we went with the best of the best American-made parts on this build. $70,000 in parts, $30,000 in labor. A lot of that is in the bodywork, which took a while to get right. In addition to that, I've got the best guys in Las Vegas working on this truck, and they're not cheap. Outside of the bodywork, we did everything in-house at Battleborn Off-Road. From the suspension setup, to the engine tuning, to the alignment, we do it all. This truck turned out great. I love the way it looks, and I really love the way it performs. If you have a truck that you want to get built, check us out, battlebornoffroad.com, or give us a call. When it comes to shops in Las Vegas, we're your go-to guys. We appreciate it, and we'll catch you on the next one.